Hello everybody, this is a review of the 8-inch angled diagonal cutting pliers. This is from Southwire. The model number is DCP-A8D. I don't know what that stands for. But the model has very nice, very thick padding. It's not just your regular dipped insulation. This is actually much thicker. The entire length is about 8 inches altogether from the cutting area to the end of it. If you're cutting something harder, there is sufficient grip space right here, and that's how I like to use them. I get my 3 strongest finger there, and this can sit on the back of my palm like this, and then you can cut easily with that. The 14-degree angle is that thing here. It's not straight, but there is a 14-degree inclination here. Extremely well made. The good thing about it is that's dropped forged 6150 alloy steel. 6150, that's the type of steel that shows that's not particularly brittle, but it has enough flexibility to withstand any pressure, meaning both lateral this way and this way. It is hot riveted, meaning this thing will never come apart no matter what you do. You can hammer it, you can do whatever you want, this is not coming out. It is extremely sharp. Those are the anvil type that don't intersect. They just press one against the other. But using it is very comfortable. Provides plenty of grip on the hands. There are plenty of grip. I don't have a particularly small hands, but usually I wear L size gloves. Not sure I can focus on the edges. I did a little cutting here, so I marked the paint. I don't know why they painted the cutting edge itself, but it is absolutely no mark on the cutting edge. And I cut some really hard steel, some hard nails. You can cut screws with that. Cutting just a regular 14 gauge cable, absolutely not a problem. Not exerting too much force, and there it goes. Yep. Nice clean cut. Let's give it a try with some thick metal wire. Now this is galvanized wire. It is steel wire, so it's kind of hard to cut, but let's see about it. Very good, nice cut. Trying to focus there. Trying to focus. Very nice clean cut. And of course, no mark on them as well. Only on the paint, which is going off anyway, so It's pretty good set of cutting pliers. You can't go wrong with you can't go with wrong with Southwire. They make pretty much the best quality right now that you can find in Home Depot. It's Home Depot related brand, and it's although it's probably one of the cheapest that you can find in Home Depot, it's a very good high quality item, and very well resisting to rust, um, and pressure here on the edge, on the cutting edge. Excellent little tool. See ya.